Hello, I'm Tony, the Scargos. Today we are going to unbox together. I don't tell you what, so discover it with me by just seeing this video. So we have this big box here. Let's try to open it. Oh. Oh. And look what it is, the RealMax. Woo. So let's take this real box. Oh yeah, oh my god. From the box. Right? There are okay. Yes, actually there are two devices, so many things to test, but let's try just to open one of them, of course. So another one, let's put it aside. Okay, so thanks RealMax for this sample. So you can see the box. There are Chinese writings because RealMax is a company that manufactures in China. It's also one of the heads that is pretty used in China. It's also present in the US, of course. And I tried for the first time it in Nanchang, of course. So, of course you know it. And let's open it all. So, here you are. So the box says inside this case with the real glasses. So I throw some boxes on the floor. So this is just a case also with a cool handle, so you can take it with you. Now let's see how to open it. Okay. So I'm pretty curious. I've never unboxed the RealMax and so you can see the device, the unity, the controller. So this movie thing inside is the controller. It seems like a Daydream controller. So nothing special. Two buttons, touchpad. So here, this is a lip motion controller for the hands tracking. So, and then the other glasses. So here it is the battery thing. Yes, I think it's a battery here. Also the connector for the battery and the glasses with the AR stuff. So you see the reflective material to create a bird bath. You know, the bird bath optical way of making AR. And now it's full reflective because there is this thing on. If I manage to remove it, you see that hello, that I should be able to see through the lenses. So it can be used for AR and AR. So let's see how it is. So let's have a look. I have the tracking cameras, the depth camera. So everything about it, the vent for the air. Here some ports, some buttons to interact with the environment, and that's it. So let's see if there is something else in the box. This. And inside we can find a USB-C cable, a charger for China, so sorry, not very useful here. And another cable, I think it's USB-C as well. It seems like this, yes. And another little cable, I don't know for what, but I think I'll discover it. And then it's over. So there's nothing else in this box anymore. And so this unboxing is finished. I hope you liked it, and if it is the case, please like and subscribe to my channel. So see you in AR. Bye bye.